Hello, and welcome back to the Calm and Connected podcast. I'm your host, Janine Halloran, and today I wanted to talk about a simple activity using dominoes that can really demonstrate visually the impact of multiple kindness acts for kids. All you really need for this activity is a set of dominoes. And the whole point of this is for kids to understand that doing kind acts for others really encourages them to do more kind acts. So, when you do something kind for somebody else, then it sort of spreads and grows, and they are more likely to do more kind acts for somebody else, and they are more likely to do kind acts for somebody else. So, just one simple act of kindness can have this domino effect of spreading more kindness in the world, which is, I think, something that we all could use and need right now. So, all you need is some dominoes. And what you do is you talk with kids about kind acts. So, you mention, maybe a couple of kind acts that you've seen, and you set up two dominoes. And then knock down the first one into the second one and discuss with the kids, you know, the impact that knocking these dominoes down, the two dominoes, doesn't merely make that big of an impact. But then start to set up more dominoes. And as you set up more dominoes, talk about kind acts that you've seen, kind acts you'd like to do, kind acts you've heard about other people doing, and then set up a row of 20 and then knock it down and see how much a bigger impact that has when you have 20 dominoes in a row instead of two dominoes in a row. And it's such a great visual activity for kids to really see and understand the impact and the spread of kindness. So I asked for some feedback and some suggestions about, how kindness can spread. And I heard from Dr. Alan Chu, an assistant professor of psychology at the University of Wisconsin in Green Bay. And he talks about writing gratitude letters. That's a great way to spread kindness. He suggests writing gratitude letters to 5 important people that you want to say thank you to. And research shows that it increases the likelihood that those 5 people will also feel grateful and write letters or express gratitude to others. That is powerful. Simply by writing a thank you note, simply by writing that you are grateful for somebody can really have a positive impact in the world. What a simple way for kids to make a positive impact. Writing to those teachers who make a big difference to them, writing to coaches, writing to dance teachers, all of the people, all of the adults in their lives, all of the other kids in their lives that really can make a positive impact on them. Have them write thank you notes or thank you cards. What a powerful lesson. Another thing Dr. Chu suggests is to perform random acts of kindness for strangers, paying for somebody's coffee or food, and it doesn't have to be a really big act. These small acts and favors are more likely to spread than larger ones that require more money and time investment. So I just wanted to give you some ideas of things that you can do. There's so many websites out there that talk about random acts of kindness. There's actually a website, randomactsofkindness.org, which I absolutely love. Great posts and ideas for spreading kindness and joy to other people. So I definitely recommend seeing that. I'll link to that in the show notes, and I'll also link up to Dr. Alan Chu so you can see a little bit more about him. This activity is actually part of the Social Skills for Kids workbook. This is a great group activity to help kids understand the power of their words, the impact of kindness, and being respectful of other people. So it is just one of those activities that is included in that book. If you are a small group leader, it has great resources for you and great ideas and activities that you can use with your small groups. If you like this podcast, please feel free to share it with your friends and colleagues and give us a rating and review wherever you listen to the podcast. And one more thing, please don't forget about yourself. Take a few minutes, have a little fun, and have an awesome day.